Hello, what's going on, everybody? It's been a while. Welcome to another episode. Let's try to learn how to drive. And already right off the bat, we are off to a terrible start. No signal. Also, why are you stopping before turning right when there's no reason to? Here is a close call. Some people just don't know how to make a left turn. Yeah, I had to slam on my brakes pretty hard. Almost got ejected from my seat. Here's another one. Stupid as stupid does. Just careless, incompetent. And that's how these drivers are these days. Here's another one. I mean, what are people doing? You have a stop sign. You need to be freaking yielding to me. I'm going straight. I have the right of way here. You're turning left. You should be yielding to me. Nobody knows what the fuck they're doing. Same intersection, same thing, different car. Unfreaking believable. Yeah, just merge whenever you want. Look at your phone. Don't pay any attention to the road. Nah, I'm still gonna go anyways. Now, this is kind of an unusual situation. The bus is giving me the right of way, or my student driver rather, and my student just doesn't know what to do. And then the bus just said, okay, you know what? You're not going to take it. I'm going to go. But if someone is flashing their high beams at you, generally that is to communicate something to you. And in this case, it was the fact that the bus was giving us the right of way. So in that case, we could have turned. But, you know, as a new driver, you'll be a little hesitant. Sure. Now here I'm yielding to pedestrians. It's pretty standard. Okay. But as I proceed onwards, the vehicles to my right still need to respect my right of way because they have a stop sign. So if you see those vehicles are yielding, and that's what should happen. Pretty bad accident here on a Royal Oak connecting to Canada Way. It's raining, it's slippery, and driving too fast or not paying attention, or both. That's what happens. So this is a pretty bad one. So be careful out there, folks, especially when the rain starts again. Slow down, pay attention, look where you're going. It's just that simple. On to the next one. Also another unusual situation. In this case, I will actually reverse. Now I'm not in the intersection, but I'm still going to reverse. Obviously, this fire truck has nowhere to go. It's a tight turn. So I backed up a little bit just to give him more space. And reversing in the intersection is illegal. Now, again, I'm not in the intersection. I'm before the intersection, but still. Here we'll have another somewhat unusual situation where the ambulance or the emergency vehicle responding is driving on the wrong side of the road. You still need to yield and give right of way so they can pass safely, especially if you are in or ahead of the intersection. So pay attention and listen to the sounds. Now observe how stupid people drive. And I don't know what the fuck this guy's problem was. He was just driving like a complete idiot. And there's a number in the back of this truck. If you are concerned, you can call the company and let him know. But this guy should not be driving, and he should probably not be part of society anyways. It is what it is. I have no idea what the hell he's doing. He's stopping, he's slowing down, he's swerving back and forth. You know, maybe there's someone in front of him that he's trying to impress. Maybe there's a cute girl sitting next to him and he's trying to impress her with his terrible driving. I don't know. Beautiful trees, but still doing U-turns in the intersection is illegal. However, this guy's going to reverse almost right into me right after doing the U-turn in the intersection. And I guess he lives in this house. But if I'm behind you, why the fuck are you backing into me? Again, this is my student driver, so my student was super confused. I would have already gone around them, but Everything this guy's doing is just dumb and quite concerning. Maybe he just doesn't have enough stickers in the back of his window. I don't know. Sometimes you have to stop before turning green, before turning on green. And in this case, there was a cyclist. So that's the only time you have to stop, when you're turning at a green light, if there's something in front of you or you're yielding to either a pedestrian or a cyclist. And on the flip side, some idiots jaywalk. Like these two fools are jaywalking. The walk sign is not on, so I should have the right of way here, but sometimes you got to yield. Just like here, the walk sign is not on. This guy's going or run across the crosswalk or speed up at least a little bit. It is what it is. And here, this is why you always got to scan intersections, and especially for pedestrians. I don't know what the hell this guy was thinking. He should not be crossing. The walk sign was not on, but at least he's wearing a mask to protect himself from the environment. Turning right from the wrong lane. Nah, it's Burnaby, so you know. You get to do whatever the hell you want. Sure, just turn right in front of me. Yep, that's the way you do it. And check out this white car. Almost hits the student driver. Just people do not understand what a safe gap is or who has the right of way. Again, what is happening here? Driving like dog shit. This guy runs a red light. It's close, but that's why you got to pay attention, because sometimes people step onto the road a little bit too early, and if you run a red light or if you're at a close call, it's a little dicey. Double yellow line, you should not cross, but going around the car onto oncoming traffic is exactly how you should do things. Obviously, I'm joking. That's just stupid. Don't cross a double yellow line, especially if you're going to drive on the other side of the road onto oncoming traffic. That's just a no-no. Jaywalkers, man. Come on. Use those wings. You flat-footed cobra chicken. More U-turns in the intersection right in front of me. Or anybody, it doesn't matter. Good stuff. Here, another kind of unusual situation. This vehicle up ahead is broken down. They actually have a flat tire and maybe something else. So in this case, even though we have double solid white lines on both sides, that's fine. In this situation, you can 100% cross over to any side to pass this vehicle. Whether you're on a test or in a real life situation, totally fine. This guy does not want to wait. He just has places to go, I guess. And he's going to pretend like he's turning from there, I guess. All right. This is why you don't let people in, especially in these freaking situations. What is happening here? And there's a car behind me already. I can't really reverse. Just Dumb and Dumber. Everyone on the road seems to be driving with pure incompetence these days and just making poor choices like that. Is unacceptable, but here we are, 2026. Maybe the aliens will save us finally. You're just blocking the road, blocking the intersection. I don't understand why people do these things. It makes no freaking sense whatsoever. So don't let people in like that. I don't care what you think or what your parents told you. It's just not the way you do things. Also, don't stop in the middle of the road. You got a perfect spot up ahead there to pull in or even to parallel park. But for some reason, you decided just to stop in the middle of the frickin' road, throw on your hazards, like that's going to make things all right, and then proceed to your business. Again, this is my student driver, so there's some panic and some concern, doesn't know what to do, but don't stop in the middle of the road. That way you're not going to create situations that could be confusing for other drivers, whether they're new drivers or not, it doesn't matter. This Tesla is not doing it correctly, but hey, it's a Tesla, so you know he's going to drive faster than everybody else. It's not a good excuse. Another Tesla driver, keeping it with a theme. Good lane change, nice shoulder check, good blind spot checks. Unfrickin' believable. Turning left. On the red light. Yeah, okay. No bueno, but good luck on your road test. Or you get a ticket. This guy is going straight on the green arrow from the opposing side. Wow. Nothing but winners. Yep. Going straight from a turning lane. Here's my final video. Just having some fun with students.
You guys are working overtime, huh? Good stuff.
That's it. That's all. We'll see you in the next one.